In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. So the first thing that we'll need to do is open up the settings. So look for settings, and once you've opened up settings, just click on your name on the top right here. And once you've clicked on your name, click on iCloud. Next is click on photos. So now what you will do here is um, click on the sync this iPhone and turn it off. And once it's done turning off, it will show up an option down here. So click on download photos and videos. And what this does, it restores photos from iCloud to your phone. Now, once you've clicked on download photos and videos, it will automatically be downloaded to your phone. And that's about it. That's how to restore photos from iCloud to iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.